I'm excited to share my latest embroidery project, an applique art of an umbrella and flowers on printed fabric. This fun and creative design can be applied to dresses, t-shirts, tote bags, pillow covers, and more. Let's get started. Then transfer the pattern onto your dress or cloth using a heat erasable pen. The heat erasable pen makes it easy to correct any mistakes and will disappear when ironed later. Cut out the umbrella shapes from your printed fabrics. Use your LED lightbox pad to trace the pattern onto the fabric. Glue the umbrella shapes onto your cloth with fabric glue. Fix your hoop into your embroidery hoop stand. This stand is lightweight, easy to use, and provides excellent stability. If you're interested, you can check the link in the description to get one for yourself. Allow the glue to dry completely before starting the stitching to avoid any shifting. Start with the detached buttonhole stitch and stem stitch along the edges of the umbrella to give it a neat finish. These stitches provide a nice textured border that highlights the shape of the umbrella. Use contrasting thread colors to make the umbrella stand out against the background fabric. For the umbrella handle, use the braid stitch. Stitch the flowers using the lazy daisy stitch and French knots. The lazy daisy stitch forms the petals, while French knots make the flower centers. These stitches add a beautiful and delicate touch to the umbrella. The hoop stand frees up both hands, making the stitching process more comfortable and efficient. Use various colors for the flowers to create a vibrant and lively effect. Experiment with colorful printed fabrics or plain fabrics for a different look. You can vary the length of the running stitches to create a more natural look for the raindrops. And there you have it, a charming applique art of an umbrella and flowers in the rain. This project is not only fun and creative, but also a great way to personalize your clothing and home decor.